Bookmakers are heavily backing 4 teams in today's match. After checking the odds market, I found the strongest pick for today, and I'm going to show you right here in this video. Welcome to BetterSlab TV, where we test football betting strategies and show you guys exactly what works. If you are a smarter bettor, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and most importantly, you turn on all bell notifications so that when I drop any amazing video just like the one you are about to watch right now, and YouTube will notify you instantly, guys. Right? If you have done that, comment today's prediction on the comment section. All right, now let me go straight to my flash score. Right, so this is my flash score. As you can see, this is my flash score. Right, now let's go to tomorrow's game. Right, tomorrow's game, which is on the 5th of May 2026 rather. So now I'll first of all go to the odds, right? Because what I actually checked is odds. So I go to the odds, you click on the odds. Now let's look at the first game here that the bookmaker favored, right? The first game here is Europe games, all right? Arsenal and Atletico Madrid. The odd is home to win odd is 1.65, draw odd 4.13, and away odd 5.94 odd. Right now, this odd is actually the bookmakers is actually telling us that this game leans towards under 3.5 goals. All right, this game actually leans under 3.5 goals. So if you want to make your decision, you can as well go for under 3.5 goals. So this is what this odd indicators actually means. All right, 3.5 goals. Now let me go to the next game. We'll have 4 games today. Let me go to the next game. The next game is under Netherlands. All right, let's go to quickly rush down to the end. Right, let's go to the end. Right, let's go. If you are getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, you like this video and share this video as well to other smart bettors out there, so that they will see this particular video and follow us and win today's bet. Right, I believe we are going to win. Okay, so now the first game here is Netherlands, which is Walwick and Willem. All right, so this is actually the game I'm talking about here. So the home odd is 2.47, while the away odd is 2.58, and the draw odd is 3.48. This is actually indicating that this game is going to be a close or tight game. All right, so now the odds indicates, or the odd leans towards under 3.5 goal for this match as well. All right, it leans towards under 3.5 goal for this match as well. All right, so that gets us to the next one, which is the third game on our list. We have 4 games. All right, we have 2 remaining, so we are going to get the 2 in Iraq League. All right, let's go to Iraq, which is I. Right, so we'll go to Iraq. Now we are there on the Iraq League. So now the first game here is Duhok Naft Mizan. Right, that's the first game here. Duhok Naft Mizan, that's the first game, and the home odd is 1.84 odd, and the away odd is 3.98 odd, while the draw odd is 3.26 odd. Right, so this odd is actually indicating that this game leans towards under 3.5 goals. Right, it leans towards under 3.5 goals, and I believe that's exactly what we are going to expect. I don't know. So now the last on our list is Neuros and Shota. The home odd is 4.28 odd, and the draw odd is 3.50 odd, and away odd is 1.72 odd. So now it also leans towards under 3.5 goals. So these are after going through the odds analysis for today market, I discovered these 4 matches that the bookmakers heavily favored under 3.5 goals. All right, and I believe that's what we are going to expect from this game. All right, don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, turn on all bell notifications. All right, so if you want to learn how to get or how to analyze odds just like the way I'm doing right now, you just have to subscribe, and most importantly, you turn on all bell notifications, because I'll be dropping videos of how to analyze odds, so that you don't stress yourself predicting or going a lot of statistics to do that. All right, so let me know in the comment section if you have gotten any value from this video. All right, let me see you in our next video. Don't forget, keep winning and success to everybody until I see you in our next video again.